Okay, now we're going to hear from Robert Kirkland on the Secure Act.
Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Robert Kirkland. I'm in Kansas City, Missouri, and it's my pleasure to return to the Notre Dame Institute on Estate Planning, and I have the privilege of talking about the Secure Act 2.0. I will attack it from a very practical standpoint, i.e., what do we do in response to these recent laws? We have brand new finalized regulations under the Secure Act after waiting for more than 2 years for those to be finalized. We'll definitely talk about those and how they affect your practice. We have proposed regulations, albeit minimal, under Secure Act 2.0. There are some really good things that came out of Secure Act 2.0. There are some other things that need work, and we'll talk about all of that at Notre Dame. I'll also spend particular time on naming trusts as beneficiaries of IRAs, how to do that, when not to do it, if you have to do it, how to do it, that kind of thing. We'll talk about blended marriages with IRAs. They present really interesting issues in estate planning for IRAs and retirement plans, as you already know. There is some Secure Act 2.0 implications in that planning that we'll definitely talk about. We'll spend a little time talking about planning for minors, planning for those who are unfortunately disabled or chronically ill, and talk about applicable multi-beneficiary trusts or AMBITs. I think the final regs made a few positive changes there, not everything that we had suggested. But in any event, I hope you'll be there. Don't fall asleep. This is must-see TV. All of these topics are really, but some of our clients, many of our clients don't have taxable estates, but almost all of them have a significant IRA or retirement vehicle that needs attention. So I believe this is a critical topic, especially now, and I will enjoy visiting with you about that here in about a month. Hope to see you there. Thank you.
That's a very important point because most clients don't need estate tax planning, although we'll have to see what happens with the election and the various proposals, including the one recently floated in Congress. And that advice should be very, very practical from Robert, and something that is really important. And I can say I personally find the constant and in-depth changes to the rules affecting retirement plans is a challenge. So it's always great to hear a practical analysis of it. And the only other point I'd say is I've been mispronouncing his state's name my whole life.
It's a perfect period of time also between the issuance of these regulations and Robert telling us what they say, because all the commentators will finally be done by the time we get there September 26th, and we can go back to our offices and understand what we're going to do for our clients. So great timing on this one, Jerry.